Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and have you gotten enough of Beauty Big Bang stamping plates? I sure hope not, because guess what? I have some more here to review for you. That's right, so these are XL035 through XL039, and I have this file here because they also sent me some of their brand new files that they have, and I wanted to show you. So these are 180 nail files. They come in packs. I saw that they come in packs of 10, and they sent me 5 here. That was very generous of them, and these make great presents for my friends, my client friends that come and visit me. I love to always gift them the oil pens for Christmas and some nail files. So yes, I do like these files. They're called the half moon nail files. I find them to be ergonomically friendly. So this is, I feel this is the 180 on this side and the 100 on this other side. You can probably tell I've put it to use. Yes, I like to use this curved side against my cuticles like this, and then this straight edge right against on the sides. It's great for using against product when you have gel to remove some of the lifting. So yes, these are always very handy, very well priced. Now on Beauty Big Bang site, I will have the link down in the description bar so you guys can go check those out when you're there. And these are the stamping plates. I'm going to give you a close-up of them. Check out this beautiful packaging, so gorgeous. So we have 3 of them. There are lace, and these are more to flowers and some leaves. There are some great designs here that you can use even now during this season, and lace, well, that can be used any time of year, right? Okay, let me go ahead and remove these from the packaging. You will see that I'm going to remove the blue film off of them, and then we'll move on to some swatches. So I hope you guys enjoy. Yes, so there you saw all the beautiful swatches from these gorgeous stamping plates, and if I didn't show you before, here you can see what they look like on the back with the nice protective backing. I do love that. Oh my gosh, let me tell you, these 2 plates right here, 035 and 36. 36. Wow. They're just absolutely stunning. I am just in awe with these images, especially the French tips designs here. And as you can see, well, of course my favorite ones are these 2 because of my pointy nails, but these right here, the curved ones, oh, I love that one too. The curved ones are great for around my cuticle area. Yes, absolutely love those. And let's see, from this one, what I absolutely love was, of course, the corset right there. I love that image right here. Oh my gosh, these, and look at those birds right there. So absolutely gorgeous images. These lace, just when you think they can't get any better. And these last two right here, 38 and 39, I believe they have very good images suitable for this time of year. Oh, that's interesting. The rings of a trunk, right? Tree trunk right there. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. As always, Beauty Big Bang, thank you very much for putting out such gorgeous stamping plates at a very affordable price. I like to thank Beauty Big Bang for sending me these gorgeous plates to play with and review. If you guys have any questions about them, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to give my video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.